Hi, I'm Tony from Atlas. Let's talk about what to expect in a janitorial meeting. First, we will have a meeting in a designated area in regards to what services Atlas has to offer for your facility. Here we'll talk about our experience in the work environment that your industry is in. We'll ask you about the general and specific services that you would like your proposal to address. Meaning, how many days a week service you will need, what time frame your facility needs to be serviced. Also, questions about the consumables. Take advantage of this time to ask Atlas all the services that we offer, such as air conditioning and heating repair, maintenance, or general contracting. Projects like changing out ceiling tiles or painting a couple offices. Once all questions have been addressed, we can take a tour of your facility. All right, guys, let's start in the lobby. Let's have some questions during the meeting. What would be included? What would be special services? For example, would you guys want us to dust the ledges every day, the TV, organize some pillows, spot cleaning, maybe just in the lobby? These are some questions to think about during our meeting. In the hallways, Atlas will sweep and mop the floors, dust any ledges, clean any doors. Any high dusting would be considered special services. Here in the cafeteria area, we got a fridge. Something to think about is how often would you guys want us to service it? Normal basis is we clean the countertops, clean the sinks, take out trash, clean any spills around. Of course, sweeping and mopping. If there's any dishes to be left out, do you guys want us to load it? Also, the microwave is going to be cleaned daily. In the restrooms, countertops will be wiped down, floors be swept and mopped, trash removed. Some of the special questions would be, do we provide the paper supplies or the liners? Or would you guys want Atlas to quote it out? In a general office area, trash will be removed, carpet will be vacuumed, desks will be wiped off. If you have a spill, feel free to contact us and we'll be able to help you out here. Here in the conference rooms, some of the daily tasks would be vacuuming the carpets, taking out the trash, cleaning the tabletops off, organizing some chairs. Some extras might be cleaning the whiteboards, throwing away some extra food that's left over after a party. These are some of the questions that you might want to think about.